Today we're featuring a 2008 Honda Civic LX. It's Borrego beige metallic in color. It's got 108,000 miles on it. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Everything's in good shape here. Just a little fading up through the pillar here and around the trim. Okay, but it does have 108,000 miles on it, so that's to be expected. A little wear and tear. Alright, everything looks really good across the rear of the vehicle. Make our way down the passenger side. It's still the same thing over here on the passenger side. Just a little bit of fading throughout the pillar. Alright, it's not really noticeable, not too bad. Alright. And then the only other thing we noticed here is just a paint chip right here on the hood. Maybe a small one right there as well. A few little rock chips up through here. Like I said, 108,000 miles on a 2008. Okay, that's to be expected. It will be priced accordingly. All right, it will be priced competitively. All right, got the two-tone door panels, got the darker brown with the light beige, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have beige cloth seating. Driver's seat's in really good shape. All right. Passenger seat is also in really good shape. Little center console here for storage. This also comes back, reveals the cup holders there. It is an automatic. It's got your power outlets there. Climate control area, CD player, AM FM stereo. It does have your cruise control right here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 108,039 miles on it. Now that we got it started, go ahead and just show you. It does have your digital speedometer up there. AM FM CD player. All right, your climate control area. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. All right. Go ahead and give you a shot of this as well. It does come with the keyless entry key fobs. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat cloth is in really good shape. I know the outside had a couple little scratches, maybe a paint chip here and there, but the interior in this vehicle is well taken care of. Carpet back here, not a stain on it. For 108,000 miles on a 2008, this Civic has been well taken care of on the inside. Let's go ahead and give you your driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at your trunk space. All right, it does have the nice plastic mat in here, protector mat. All right, got your spare tire there. I'll step to the side so you can see the depth of just how much space you got back here. All right, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see what size we got here. 16-inch steel wheels, nice hubcaps on there. Okay, brand new set of tires. All right. All right, once again, it's a 2008 Honda Civic LX, 108,000 miles on it. Okay, it's got a couple scratches on it on the outside, a couple of paint chips, a little bit of fading on the pillars there, but the inside of this vehicle is in great shape. All right, it will be fairly priced and competitively priced. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.